But every chaos has a solution. Introducing Nexora.
Okay, you're probably wondering how I did what you just saw. I'm Chris, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a collaboration with CapCut because we're going to test one of its most interesting new features, Dream in a Seedance 2.5. But I don't want to mislead you, it's not just about how to generate a video. I want us to go through the whole process together from scratch. We'll start from an idea, generate our story, be able to modify scenes, and finally edit it all within CapCut Web. So let's see how far we can go. And here we have the interface we're going to work with today. It actually has a very nice look to it. Everything. We enter Video Studio and click on the option that says Video. In Video, we're going to choose the Seedance 2.5 option in 16:9 format, which would be the format that fits us best. We choose 720 and 30 seconds, which is the duration we want for our video. It's important to select Dream in a Seedance 2.5 because if we select it from the start, all the generations we make from here on will use this model. And one of the things I'm most interested in testing today is how much context we can give the model, so we don't have to keep explaining the same thing over and over. For that, we're going to start with our own style and our references. And to make this test really practical, we're going to create a campaign for Nexora. I'm going to start with the idea and the two brand elements I have and ask Seedance 2.5 to generate the main piece of the campaign. This way we'll be able to see the whole process from an initial idea to getting a finished video, and then being able to edit and refine it within CapCut Web. Now we'd put the prompt in the box right here and check that we have the video in Seedance 2.5, the quality, the size we want, the seconds, and then we'd hit generate. It's already made a first version, and here it asks if with the elements it's provided, we want to generate an original version, and we're going to hit generate so we can see the results. And here we check that we have Seedance 2.5, the size we want, the seconds, and the quality we've chosen. It's always going to stay like this, since we chose it from the start and in all the videos we create, it'll be doing the same. We have the video generated now, let's watch it.
In the middle of creative chaos, where ideas feel like a storm and deadlines never end, finding clarity can feel impossible. But what if you could turn that noise into vision? Meet Nexora, the AI creative platform built for your imagination. Watch as the fragments of your mind organize into stunning digital reality. Streamline your workflow and break through every barrier. Reclaim your creative freedom. From the first spark to the final masterpiece, Nexora brings your ideas to life faster than ever before. Stop dreaming and start doing. Elevate your craft with the power of AI-driven efficiency. Nexora, ideas to reality faster.
We have the version done now. Now what we can do is finish polishing the things we don't like. We can click here. The app itself makes several suggestions, and if not, we can change several things here. Don't like the narrator, we can change Amelia for someone else. If Elena, the girl who appears, we don't like her, we can change her for someone else. The music, the duration in seconds, everything. From here we could generate it again. What we've said now is for it to make it a bit more powerful, and let's see what it's generated now. Now we have the second version done with what we specified, and let's watch it.
The creative process can often feel like a digital storm of endless noise, scattered assets, system errors, and the crushing weight of impossible deadlines. But every chaos has a solution. Introducing Nexora. Harness the power of absolute precision. With a single gesture, your vision aligns, transforming raw fragments into high-definition reality. Speed, clarity, seamless flow. Master your craft and elevate every frame. Nexora, from inspiration to professional delivery faster than ever before. Ideas to reality, Nexora.
And now, once we have the video finished, let's go to the most important part, which would be clicking on the editor we have right here. Once we're in the editor, we'd have several options in the left menu, which would be everything we have in this part here. And then when we hover over the clip we're making, we have a bar where it shows the settings, opacity, several points of the image. Then we'd have the smart tools, which would be to perform options edits with AI. Animation in here if we want it to go faster or slower. If we wanted to modify anything now, we have a lot of options, and I, for example, want to make the last clip shorter. Here on the timeline, we can easily navigate to the specific clip that we want to edit, and from there, we have the flexibility to make it shorter if needed. This process is quite similar to how we might have to carefully trim down our text or adjust the music track to fit perfectly. We can simply position the timeline playhead right here to act as a precise guide for our cuts, and we can consistently apply the same workflow and logic to all the various editing options and tools that we have available to us in this project. If we wanted to change the typography, because the typography, the font, anything, we'd have to hover over the text, and we could change it here. We could see the actual example here and see which one fits us best. In this case, we're going to use this one, which is very simple. And we could change the typology, the typography, the size, if we want it smaller, larger, if we want, okay, not in this case. Other options, well, it would just be as easy as pulling this little bar. If we wanted to change the music, we'd have to go right to this bar here where it says audio, and here we'd see other audios. We already have one set, but in case we wanted to change it, other options to be able to add. In this case, I think everything we have is very well aligned. The song we have in this case is this one, which already works for me. And we'd consider this video finished and we'd export it. The creative process can often feel like a digital storm of endless noise, scattered assets, system errors, and the crushing weight of impossible deadlines. But every chaos has a solution. Introducing Nexora, harness the power of absolute precision. With a single gesture, your vision aligns, transforming raw fragments into high-definition reality. Speed, clarity, seamless flow. Master your craft and elevate every frame. Nexora, from inspiration to professional delivery faster than ever before. Ideas to reality. Nexora. This is the final result. We've gone from a few references to a complete piece with consistent characters and a clear story. Thanks to the custom skill, we've been able to edit everything we wanted. The editing within CapWeb has been incredible, from the custom skill to the editor itself, which has made it possible for us to facilitate and finish our entire project on the same site. If you want to try this workflow, you have the CapCut web link in the first lines of the description. Remember to select the Seidin 2.5 model within the video studio to follow the process we've seen today in this video. Now, I want to ask you something. What kind of video would you create with a tool like this? Leave it for me in the comments, and if you found this tutorial useful, you can support the channel with a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Best regards.